Hello, everyone. Many students feel anxious about college admissions, fear of rejection, pressure from parents, comparison with friends, and endless. And what if it is keep looping in the mind? Even after doing everything rightly, that stress doesn't go away. Even if you get an admission in a good school, still you feel that's not enough. And that is the real struggle that is inside and outside. How long would you like to carry? From young adulthood to adulthood, you don't want to take this stress. What if I told you your peace of mind decides your admission into a good college more than your application? What if I told you if you train your mind and open your doors faster than your grades, it is free from your fear, it gets free from stress. And guess what, all this is free in my next upcoming sessions, mainly targeting the young audience. Please join Vedic meditation along with Ho'oponopono and EFT classes. This not only trains your mind but also helps you forgiving yourself and accepting as is. It is a clear way of attracting your own energy and right opportunities and taking right decisions. Of course, getting into a college is one thing, but more than that, self confidence and self love and forgiving yourself makes much difference and gives more opportunities and more better future in your life. For any further questions, please DM me in my Instagram or reach out to souldharmaforlove at gmail.com. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the